What if I told you that growing your savings could be effortless, almost automatic? In 2026, growing your savings isn't just about budgeting and tracking every penny. It's about using smart tools, strategies, and habits that work behind the scenes to help you save without even thinking about it. If you're tired of constantly battling with your willpower to put money aside, the good news is you don't have to do it alone. Imagine saving consistently, month after month, without even having to lift a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in today's video, we'll walk you through the top 5 habits that will help you grow your savings consistently in 2026. Stick around, because these habits will transform your approach to saving. 1. Deploy Sweeper AI agents for surplus management. In 2026, smart tools like Sweeper AI agents have revolutionized how we manage our savings. Gone are the days of manually tracking every transaction. Now, we have AI-powered systems like Facet and Plum that not only track your spending, but actively sweep surplus cash into high-yield savings accounts. These AI agents use contextual reasoning to assess your real-time financial situation, analyzing cash flow patterns to decide how much you can afford to save. It's like having a financial assistant that works for you around the clock. These AI tools work by recognizing your income and spending habits. When there's extra money in your account, the AI automatically transfers a portion of that into a savings account, ensuring that your money grows without requiring you to make a decision. This proactive approach eliminates the need for constant willpower and manual tracking, making saving effortless. Plus, because the AI agents are tailored to your financial behaviors, you can trust that they won't transfer too much, leaving you with the flexibility to manage your daily expenses. They also take into account recurring payments like bills and subscriptions to avoid potential overdrafts, further simplifying the saving process. In fact, these AI tools can even help you identify areas where you might be overspending and offer tips to optimize your budget. By deploying Sweeper AI agents, you set your savings on autopilot, letting technology handle the heavy lifting for you. This way, you can focus on other important things in life while your savings grow steadily in the background. With AI handling your financial optimization, you can rest easy knowing your future is being taken care of automatically, without the stress. 2. Practice revenge saving against impulse triggers. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing a tempting ad, and feeling the urge to make an impulsive purchase. It's easy to fall into the trap of buying things we don't need, especially when marketing is designed to trigger these emotions. But in 2026, you can turn the tables with a clever habit known as revenge saving. Whenever you feel the urge to make an impulsive purchase, especially after seeing something on social media or in an online ad, instead of buying the item, commit to transferring the same amount into your savings. For example, if you see a new gadget you just have to have, and it costs $50, don't give in to the urge. Instead, transfer $50 into your savings account or investment fund immediately. This simple trick helps you resist impulse buys while reinforcing the habit of saving. Revenge saving isn't just about stopping yourself from spending. It's about taking that money you would have spent and turning it into a positive. It's a way to make your savings grow while still getting a sense of satisfaction from your actions. Over time, this habit will help you recognize when you're falling into impulse spending, and it'll encourage you to think twice before pulling out your wallet. This strategy not only helps you save money, but also shifts your mindset from impulsive consumerism to mindful spending, helping you grow your savings consistently without feeling deprived. Instead of focusing on the loss of not making the purchase, you'll start to feel empowered by the financial gains you're making in the long run. Plus, this small shift in behavior can help you develop a healthier relationship with money and give you more control over your spending patterns. 3. Implement a 1% monthly escalation. Building a savings habit doesn't always require massive changes to your lifestyle. In fact, small, incremental improvements can have a huge impact. That's where the concept of a 1% monthly escalation comes into play. Rather than waiting for a large raise or a big financial windfall to make a big saving push, commit to increasing your savings rate by just 1% each month. This means that if you're saving 5% of your income one month, Next month, you'll aim for 6%. By the end of the year, you'll have increased your savings rate by 12%, which can add up to a significant amount over time. The beauty of this method is that it's barely noticeable in your lifestyle. The 1% increase is small enough that it won't feel like a sacrifice, but it's powerful enough to compound over time, building your savings at a consistent and manageable pace. Not only does this strategy help you save more, but it also eliminates the all-or-nothing mentality that can sometimes hold people back from saving. Rather than waiting for a big moment to start saving aggressively, you're gradually building a habit that will grow with you. Implementing a 1% escalation in your savings plan ensures that your progress is sustainable and steady, rather than overwhelming or unsustainable. It's a small change that has big long-term benefits. 4. Shift to goal-based digital bucketing. Gone are the days of letting your savings sit idle in one generic account. In 2026, a more effective and motivational approach is to use goal-based digital bucketing. This involves organizing your savings into different buckets for specific goals, like a down payment for a house, a vacation fund, or even a rainy day fund. Platforms like South Indian Bank allow you to create flexible recurring deposits that are tied to your specific financial goals. By assigning a specific goal to each portion of your savings, you create a psychological barrier against unplanned withdrawals. When you know that your savings are earmarked for something specific, you're less likely to dip into them for impulse purchases or unnecessary expenses. This system also helps you track your progress toward each goal, making it easier to stay motivated. Having a goal-based savings plan means that every dollar you save is working towards something meaningful. Whether it's the excitement of watching your home down payment fund grow or the satisfaction of seeing your vacation savings reach their target, digital bucketing helps turn the abstract concept of saving into something tangible and exciting. This habit not only helps you stay focused on your goals, but also encourages you to save more consistently, knowing that every deposit is one step closer to achieving your dreams. 5. Perform monthly subscription and direct debit audits. In 2026, it's easier than ever for companies to slip unnoticed charges into your payment schedule, especially when it comes to subscriptions and direct debits. From streaming services to apps you signed up for months ago, these small recurring payments can quietly eat away at your finances without you even realizing it. To combat this, adopting a monthly subscription and direct debit audit is a must. At the end of each month, set aside some time to review your mobile wallet and bank feeds for forgotten subscriptions or unused services. Check for any trials that automatically renewed or services you no longer need. Immediately cancel anything that doesn't add value to your life and redirect those funds to your savings or investment accounts. This monthly audit helps you plug financial leaks and ensure that your money is only going to things you truly value. Performing these audits not only saves you money, but also helps you stay conscious of your spending habits. By regularly checking your subscriptions and direct debits, you can ensure that your savings aren't being drained by unnecessary charges. This small habit has a big impact on maintaining control over your finances and growing your savings consistently. And there you have it, the top 5 habits that will help you grow your savings consistently in 2026. By incorporating these smart habits into your routine, whether it's using Sweeper AI agents, practicing revenge saving, implementing a 1% monthly escalation, adopting goal-based digital bucketing, or performing monthly subscription audits, you can ensure that your savings grow effortlessly and consistently. These habits will help you build a secure financial future without the need for constant willpower or overwhelming effort. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with anyone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, effective ways to manage your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.